In the last class, we have learned about the methods of addition and we did few sums with a single digit number and a double digit number also. I hope you all have understood how to add numbers, and if you haven't, then today we are going to revise and explore more about addition. Children, these are the keywords which are related to addition. These are the keywords which are related to addition. These words will help you to understand whether it is addition or not. For example, there are red stones and yellow stones. Now tell me, how many stones are there altogether? In all, total. All these three words will be linked to this only, whatever answer you will get. Okay. So now we are going to count red stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stones are there. Plus 3 more stones. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, there are total 8 stones in all. You can say in all, total, altogether for the answer when you will add all that. So how many stones are there altogether? If the question will be like this, so altogether you will count all together and you will say the answer. When you will count all together, that is called total also, that is called in all also, that is called all together also. In addition, we use such words. Okay children, now I'll give you the next example. Children, second example is there are 5 green stones and 4 yellow stones. Now tell me, how many stones are there altogether? So children, you have to put together all the stones and then you have to count it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 stones are there. Clear? So children, sometimes I'll give you the sign and sometimes the words will be there. And suppose if I write here add 5 plus 4, so in this way also you have to do the addition only, because here it is given addition. And if I write, sometimes I'll not tell you plus also. If I write here and add 5 and 4, then too it is same. These words are used for addition. So 5 and 4 makes 9. Clear children? Now see this children. Here it is given 6 plus 2. There are 6 stones here and 2 stones here. So when you will add, you have to count all together. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 stones are there. So children, when you add any numbers, the answer which you get is called sum. Clear children? This is called sum. So I'll give you one more example for that. Just see. Yes children, here it is given 2 more than 8 is equal to how much? So we will count these stones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They said 2 more than 8. Than 8 means from this 8 you are already having 8. You have to take 2 more. Here it is given 2 more. 2 more than which number? 8. So I am taking 2 more. So now it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will become 2 more than 8 is equal to 10. Clear, children? In this way, you can fill the blanks also. You can do the sums. These are horizontal way sums also. In blanks also it comes like this. And see here, there is no sign here. In this, there is no sign. Even add word is not there. So we have learned when we add any two numbers, the answer which we get is called sum. So here, sum of 1 and 3 is, sum of 1 and 3 is, that means sums. When we add any two number, the answer is called sum. That means after adding, we get the sum. So we have to add these two numbers, 1 and 3. That is 3 and 1 is 4. Clear, children?